Come along with me as we do a Halloween party for our neighbors.
It's showtime.
Juicing life and drinking the joy means spending time with wonderful friends, family, and neighbors. And since we had some new neighbors move in, we decided to throw a Halloween party. I've never done this before. I hope this turns out okay. We found some really inspirational party foods on Instagram and decided to go ahead and give those a try and make those for our Halloween party. That now really quick. All right, here's what they look like. Well, they do look festive at least. I don't know if they really look like spider webs, but they do look festive and Halloweenish. I have some left over, so I'm going to try to make these little ghost people. Maybe they'll go there, put that on there. Pop a little ghost eyeballs.
Gosh, David made these eggs and he cracked them and put food coloring in them. I can't wait to see how they turn out.
Kind of look like brains or something, don't they?
Yeah.
And it's hard for me how it's so full. Take a look at these eggs. Pretty Halloweeny. I guess they're like Fright Night egg eyeballs. This is more labor intensive than I thought. I started off by just dumping a bunch of these goldfish in here, but they just get traffic jammed and you can't get them in the fingers. So you basically have to get just a few in and get them worked into the little fingers. First, so you get these in all first and then I can put more goldfish in them, but it just took more work than I thought it was gonna be. All right, we have some with goldfish and some with popcorn, flavored popcorn that I made that has, this is like a sweet and salty one. It has little bits of those candies and that you sprinkle on top of stuff and a little bit of sugar in it, and these are just goldfish. So these will go into a little basket. Layer these in here. This little ghost over here. All right, I have some of these spider rings. I didn't know what to do with them, so I'm just gonna put them on the little popcorn things and the little goldfish. I think they're gonna be really cute. Yeah, I think that's gonna look really cute. I also made 2 playlists to use for tonight, and here they are. Here's one. David's making this special charcuterie board with the skull and prosciutto, and it's looking really cool. I'm not much of a baker, so I bought these petit fours, but I'm just adding a little bit of icing on these and then putting in some cute little candy mouths and eyes just to decorate them for Halloween. That one here. Now we had everything set up and we were just getting people arriving and we could start the party. All of our prep and hard work paid off because it turned out to be a wonderful festive Halloween table. Everyone also brought a dish to share, and some of them were international, so we had a really great spread of food for our Halloween festivities tonight. As you entered our house, David made this wonderful Halloween vomiting skeleton. We're ready. It's showtime. This is our bathroom. This is my shower. David made that. So cool. We like our light up cups. Guys. Oh, thanks.